When you bring a cat into your home, you need to make sure that the cat will be happy and safe there. This requires that you think about what your cat needs to be physically and mentally healthy. You also need to make sure that your cat will not come into contact with hazards that could be easily avoided. Overall, if you want to make your home cat-friendly, look at the space from your cat's perspective and make changes that will improve and enrich its life in the future. How to make your home cat-friendly. This video will tell you eliminating hazards and keeping your cat happy and healthy. Welcome to dailyneedstudio.com. What are the essential considerations for making my home cat-friendly? Creating a cat-friendly home involves providing spaces for climbing, hiding, scratching, and playing. Ensure safety by removing toxic plants and securing hazardous items. What are some tips for litter box placement in a cat-friendly home? Place litter boxes in quiet, accessible locations away from food and water bowls. Consider having multiple boxes in different areas of the house. How do you ensure your home is safe for your cat? Secure windows and balconies, eliminate toxic plants, store household cleaners safely, and keep small items or cords out of reach to prevent accidents. Method 1. Eliminating hazards. Number 1. Block access to toxins. There are many chemicals and products in most houses that are toxic to cats. In order to make your home as safe for a cat, look at the labels of all chemicals and assess whether they could be a risk to your cat's health. Keep these toxic products out of reach of your cat by putting all chemicals and products that could pose a danger in closed cabinets that your cat cannot access. Common household chemicals that are dangerous to cats include antifreeze, garden chemicals, insect control products, potpourri, and human medications. Many cats are naturally inquisitive and will investigate every inch of a new home. Because of this, don't assume that a product on a high ledge or in an out-of-the-way corner will be out of reach of your cat. Keep an eye on your cat and lock any cabinets they may open with child-proof locks. Number 2. Remove toxic plants. There are many common household plants that are extremely toxic to cats. If you have a cat, you should not grow these plants in your home. Azalea, lily, mistletoe, philodendron, poinsettia, caladium, elephant's ear. Number 3. Keep toxic foods out of reach. There are foods that humans eat regularly that are very toxic to cats. In order to have a cat-friendly home, you need to keep these foods out of reach of your cat. These toxic foods include, but are not limited to, chocolate, alcohol, grapes, raisins, onions, garlic, and xylitol. Also keep leftovers and table scraps away from cats, as these can cause a hazard. For example, leftover bones can be a choking hazard for a cat. Number 4. Remove physical dangers. A cat that is roaming around its home can come into contact with physical hazards that can injure or even kill it. In order to make your home cat-friendly, you need to eliminate as many of these hazards as possible. Common household dangers include lit candles, rodent traps, strangulation hazards, such as blinds cords, and open toilet lids. Number 5. Keep your cat indoors. If you want a happy and healthy cat, it is best to keep it in your house. Keeping your cat inside minimizes its chance of getting a variety of diseases and infections, eliminates its chances of getting hit by a car or getting lost, and it protects birds and other wildlife outside. Make sure all window and door screens are secure. A loose screen could allow your cat to escape the house, but it could also cause your cat to fall out a window if it leans against a screen it thinks is secure. Your cat can have a happy and fulfilling life inside. However, if you do keep your cat inside, it is important to create a cat-friendly environment in your home. Did this video help you? Let's comment below. Yes or no. Method 2. Keeping your cat happy and healthy. Number 1. Give your cat space of its own. If you want to make your home cat-friendly, then you need to give your cat some space of its own. This usually includes a cat bed or cat house, where the cat can go when it just needs to relax on its own. A cat house can be especially helpful for a cat that is adjusting to a new home and is afraid. When you bring a new cat home, allow it to hide away in its cat house until it comes out on its own. Providing this safe space will be an important part of it adjusting to new surroundings. If you have multiple cats or other pets, it's very important to have a variety of spaces where your cat or cats can get alone time. In a house with dogs, there should be some spaces provided that allow the cat to get physical distance from any dogs. Number 2. Stimulate your cat's mind. Provide toys that are exciting and fun for your cat to play with. Interactive toys of various types can give your cat something to play with and enjoy while you are away or otherwise engaged. Part of stimulating your cat's mind is giving it new and exciting things to do on a regular basis. Don't assume that your cat will be happy with the same old toys forever. Introduce new ones on a regular basis. Cats are also stimulated by watching the outside world. Attract birds and wild animals to your windows by placing bird feeders outside of them. Your cat will enjoy the cat TV. Number 3. Give your cat opportunities for exercise. A cat-friendly home provides opportunities for your cat to get some exercise. This could be long, clear halls where the cat can chase toys. This could also be areas where the cat can climb. Many cat owners provide specific climbing areas for their cats, whether it be a cat tree or shelves on their walls that the cat can walk along. A scratching post gives your cat the ability to stretch and scratch at the same time. In addition, providing a scratching post will minimize the chance of your cat choosing to stretch and scratch on your furniture. Try putting up shelves so that your cat can climb up to a sunny window perch. This gives the cat the opportunity to do a little climbing, and it gives the cat a little private spot to get some alone time as well. Number 4. Provide for your cat's basic needs. Your cat needs food, water, and a clean litter box to meet its basic physical needs. Feed your cat on a regular basis and in a place where it can eat undisturbed by other pets in the home. Access to clean water should be provided at all times. Giving your cat a clean and accessible litter box is a requirement for having a happy cat in your home. Many cats enjoy a cat drinking fountain that provides water in a running stream. Litter boxes should be placed in a private place and should be cleaned on a very regular basis, preferably every day.